High pressure of butane damaged the membrane. There are many sections, so there is a hole now. And the pump could not turn when butane was inside at high pressure. It could not push sections down. This water pump doesn't work well either, because it only goes 1 bar for gas, and we need maybe 3 bar. Need to use car compressor at least, but it needs also inlet port. Here I have a compressor from water pump, which is for pumping liquid, and I filled with butane gas through here, and we see some liquid running here. It's the inlet port, and yeah, nothing special happens with temperature. Here is 22 degrees, and here is 22 degrees. Added more gas. The pressure gauge gets crazy, I think because the pump gets liquid on the input, sometimes gas. And switch off pump, we get 2.5 bars, which is pressure of butane when it is liquid at room temperature.
Adding more butane did not help. It's clear that it does not evaporate completely.
We have 26 degrees after the narrow capillary.
Hands are getting greasy. I think it is the plastic which is dissolved in butane.
I think in the system is no more pure butane, because the pressure at idle is less than 2 bars, and the temperature 22 degrees what we get. Probably butane has some other more heavy fractions. And this compressor, it cannot make vacuum suction. Here should be low pressure for butane to become cold and evaporate, and it is not. So this pump is probably not suitable at all. It holds the gas out almost, and at temperature 21 degrees. Actually, when one compresses air, it becomes hot, and when compressed air expands through a small hole, it becomes cold. And here, yeah, there is no such thing. Attaching input line pipe with JB Weld 2-component epoxy. Like this it works. We have negative pressure here and 3 bars here. And if the compressor is stopped, it will not start. We have 2 bars in the system. It just makes click click and does not turn. Rearrange the butane tank is on the inlet, and we have negative pressure suction. And so we get 2 degrees now here. And this is dangerous because here are sparks. And here on the backside we have 8 bars. New run, new fuel, 60 watts electric power, 8 bar pressure. And it does not get colder because the coil gets warm. And we switched off pump, we have 3 bars in the system. And the compressor won't start. That's why fridge compressors are inside enclosure.
Alles stopping. Yeah, alles stopping now. Okay. Start it down.
Butane cooking at 1 bar, around 0 degrees.